Hi, welcome back to TH Mining channel. Today I got a Evga Supernova 2000 watt ATX power supply. So maybe if you're interested, I'm unboxing it right now. Sorry for that. I'm gonna use this power supply on my RTX 3090 rig. I know one of them is not enough. I have a 8 card rig, 8 RTX 3090s in one rig. They consume a lot of power. I'm running them now with several power supplies and one normal 1500 watt ATX power supply, but the normal ATX power supply gets burned out in the PCIe slots. I can't use them anymore, so I have to use a new one, and I thought this is a good choice. Brand new, here's the seal. Carry it open. One more time. From Evga. These are the cables, I think. It's a modular system. Manual. Let's see what's inside here. VGA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is not enough, you can also use this ones. There you can buy adapters to get from, I think it's called EPS to PCIe. I use them already for some other rigs. This is the sucker in life. 2000 watts of power. Eco mode. And this uses not a normal power connector. I hope hope this cord is inside here. I don't have to lay it around. This is the power cord. I don't know if you can see it. It's a normal European plug. And here, I can quickly open it up and you can see it. Boom. It's a hefty cable. I mean, it should have up to 2,000 watts of power. Now I'm interested in the this Molex and SATA cables. I'm more interested in this and then PCIe cables. Let me quickly open that up. Let's pick that one out. I hope. Yeah. This is a the same cables, the same cable, all the same, yeah. They have all 2 PCIe ends. What is that? CPU. There are also one more VGA cables. This is CPU. Yeah, this is one with one end VGA. There's also one end this for cable, also VGA, one end, CPU, and there we have one more VGA, so we have 4. I think there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 PCIe, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So there are 12 PCIe connections, and there are 4. So we have 16 PCIe connections. What's inside here? Oh, here's a VGA, as it always in their power supplies. This is a ATX power supply tester. You can plug it in the ATX cord and see if it, and this one here, and turn it on and see if it turns on without connecting it to a main board. Yeah, that's it for now. One more look here. Wrong way. It's gold rated. I only use it I always use the power supplies 75–80% maximum. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.